Former Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, Chairperson Wafula Chebukati has passed away at the age of 63, his family has confirmed. He died on Thursday at 11 p.m. while undergoing treatment at a Nairobi hospital where he had been admitted to the intensive care unit. The exact cause of his illness remains undisclosed, as his family has chosen to keep the details private. Chebukati, a seasoned lawyer and public servant, played a significant role in Kenya's electoral history. He served as the IEBC chairperson from 2017 until his retirement in January 2023, overseeing both the 2017 and 2022 general elections. Notably, he became the first IEBC chair to complete his full 6-year constitutional term, an achievement that underscored his resilience in one of Kenya's most scrutinized offices. Before his tenure at IEBC, Chebukati had built a distinguished legal career spanning over 3 decades. He ran his own law firm for 20 years before founding Kutau and Associates Advocates in 2006, a Nairobi-based firm specializing in corporate and commercial law, governance, and dispute resolution. In 2017, he resigned from his legal practice to take up the IEBC role, where he would later become one of Kenya's most controversial yet consequential election officials. Interestingly, Chebukati was once involved in politics as a member of the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM. However, he distanced himself from political affiliations before applying for the IEBC position, seeking to present himself as an impartial arbiter of Kenya's elections. His tenure at IEBC, particularly the 2022 election, was marked by intense political pressure and public scrutiny, yet he stood firm in delivering results that shaped Kenya's political landscape. Despite his public career, Chebukati remained a private individual regarding his personal life. He was married to Mary Chebukati, who was appointed chairperson of the Commission on Revenue Allocation, CRA, in 2023. The couple had children, though they largely kept their family out of the public eye. His passing marks the end of a chapter in Kenya's electoral history, leaving behind a legacy of resilience, controversy, and steadfast commitment to the rule of law. As the country reflects on his contributions, his role in shaping Kenya's democratic process will be a subject of discussion for years to come.